Hi, this is the FOSSiBOT F101 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first we should open the settings app and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see media coloring and notification and alarm volume panels, and to change the volumes we should slide to the left or to the right side. There's dots on each of the volume panels. You could also turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode to set the schedule, the start, the end time, and to allow some calls, messages, or notifications from many people, apps, or alarms. You could also change the duration for quick settings and to display options for hiding notifications. We could switch also the phone ringtone, to activate and turn off the live captions. In media section, we could pin media player and show media recommendations. We could turn on and turn off the vibration and haptics. Here we got the notification and alarm sounds. We could switch them just by select one from the available sounds. And also we could activate and turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sound, charging sounds, and vibration touch sounds, and always show icon in vibration mode. So to activate and turn off all of these options, we should click on each of the switcher. And here we got also the sound attachment section. We could use here the volume booster for speaker. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.